Now look at 171. I've created a variable str which is hello, right? So when I type str and execute, I get in the output as hello. So that is for printing the value of the variable str. Now I can also create multi-line as str. So when I go into the environment, I see str is character with 112 bytes. Now I am defining a poem here. I am writing a poem, okay, of 4 lines. Okay, when I do str here, so it is giving as multiple lines. In the output you see plus means continued. And when I go to the character, it is 232 bytes, right? So these are str is a variable with characters with 232 bytes space. So when I'm printing str, it is giving in 2 lines where I have backspace n means next line. So I don't want backspace. So for that I will say cat str. It will give me exactly how I have executed the code. I have executed in 4 lines with commas. So this is used in printing. When the people are printing, they use this type of command, cat the variable means it is giving exactly how I gave the input. I gave the input like this and I get the input. See, you see the input how I gave 175 to 178. This is the input I have given, right? So exactly the same output I am getting. If I use cat, right? Now I am defining str1. Let me call it as str1. Okay, hello world. Now I want to know how many characters are there in str. For that I will use nchar. So nchar is telling that there are 12 characters. Count this. H is for 1, E for 2, L is 3, again L is 4, O is 5, space is 6, W is 7, O is 8, R is your 9, L 10, D 11, apostrophe is 12. So it will consider. These codes will not be considered. So when I am doing n character for str1, I am getting 12 characters. So I go here and when I see this is character which is 120 bytes, right? Now if I want to check whether h is there in the variable str, so I am defining str hello world. I want to check if h letter is there in that variable. So it will give me true. True is a boolean value. So the code used is for grepl, to check if the character is available in the variable. To check if the character is available in the variable, you use h. Then I want to check if hello is there. Same, I use comma the variable. So I'll get str. So grepl x. Now I want to check if x, capital X is there in this variable. So I should get false as an output. Got it? So please practice this. Row number 192, 194. I can also check hello in str. This is also one code. This is a 1-letter code, right? Here hello is not there because hello is typed H as capital letter here. That's why I did not get hello when I typed. It is saying false. If I change it to capital letter, I get the output as true. I have to define it. Hello in str. I get false, right? I have to use hello world apostrophe, then I get str. If I'm using in, I have to use that characters, then only it will give, or else I will use grepl to find out if hello str is there. I get true. If one word, I'll use GREPL, right? So how do you paste two characters? String 1 is hello, string 2 is world. I do paste string 1 comma string 2. So this is how I paste two characters hello world. The space will be automatic. Now I am defining a string wherein you have Vikings in the apostrophe. We are the so-called Vikings from the north. So I'm defining, it will say error because our language will get confused. There are two codes. So to negate this, I use a backspace. So I can use this backspace because while writing any publication book and all, you talk in direct language, right? So to negate all these things, we use this. So when you this, you will get like this. And to remove the backspace, we use cat. So you get exactly how you have given the input. You can practice this.